Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. Mark here in the fan cave. It is July 5th, 2026. Here in the fan cave with, now this is a big deal. So without further ado, I'm going to take it for a test spin. Now, the story behind this fan is I acquired it from an older gentleman in Revere, and I guess his dad had it installed in the garage, and when he was clearing out his dad's house, his parents' house, it was still there, and it was actually hanging on a bent piece of rebar. That's how it was installed, and one of the blades, as you can see, is bent up. I tried bending it back, and it's to no avail. Looks like it must have been smacked with something over the years. Maybe that's why, he's getting rid of it. I don't know, but still does spin, obviously. It's a bit wobbly because of the bent blade, but there's a lot of rust, especially around the where it connects to the J-hook. Now, I did not have a J-hook big enough to accommodate a fan of this magnitude, so I actually had to kind of jerry-rig it, but yeah, I'll show you when it stops. There's a lot of surface rust on this fan. I tried cleaning it up, but didn't have much luck. Take down the upper canopy. Or I guess technically the only canopy. And yeah, I can tell up by the, let's see if I can get a good view of it here. Yeah, it's pretty, you can tell it's pretty crunchy. So let me zoom in on the tag here. So there's no switch, it's just either on or off. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.